Today, when I was preparing this lecture, I saw many, many dimensions in it. The topic of lecture is success. I saw many, many dimensions in it, and I thought that I will give you 6 thoughts to think about it. Success is a topic that interests all people in the world. People want to be successful. It's very interesting. Every one of us wants to be successful on his own level, on his own understanding, in the condition that he is living. But all of us, in some way, try to be successful. The idea of success is interpreted very wrong. People think that they can be successful in expense of others. And this is an idea that widespread, and it jumped from the individual to the group to the nation. And every individual, every nation, every group want to be successful. But the basic line is that they want to be successful in expense of others. Now this kind of success, seeing it from the infinity viewpoint or future viewpoint, is a great failure. Because you are becoming successful to create future obstacles to make yourself fail. It's very interesting. Each of you have various kinds of intentions to be successful. For example, you want to be successful physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. And trying to be successful in these 4 ways, you either fail in the path of success or you become successful. Some people, to be successful, try to collect possessions. Other people, positions. It's very interesting. It's all success, you see. Other people search for knowledge to be successful. Other people try to increase their beingness, their virtues, their real reality. Now these are 4 kinds of success which can work against each other, or they can combine, coordinate with each other, and make you a really successful person. In our teaching, to be successful physically is very good. You must be healthy, you must be happy, you must have money and different articles and objects to be successful. But if that success becomes an hindrance against your emotional and mental and spiritual success, actually you are failing. You are accumulating lots of materials, and all these materials eventually are going to become a wall on the path of your perfection. Now, to destroy that wall, you are going to take another 200 lives or 500 lives to destroy it if you do not create further karma and obstacles. In the same way, emotional success, for example. Emotionally, you can be successful. Emotionally, you can be successful, but defeat yourself. For example, emotionally you want to very happy and you want to drink a bottle of whiskey. Well, you are successful in finding a bottle of whiskey and drinking and becoming happy. But then you are working against your own future success, future happiness. Or different things. For example, you are excited, and in excitement you do something that in the future it becomes a legal case against you. So mental success, you collect lots of ideas and knowledge and formulas to be successful mentally and emotionally and physically. But eventually you see that you use that knowledge for your personal advantage, or for your group advantage, or for your national advantage, in expense of other individuals, groups, and nations. Now it becomes a failure in your life, and it creates a tremendous obstacles for your future growth. So really, what is the success that we are looking? And how we can be successful physically, emotionally, mentally? Because it's very good to have money and success and possessions in the world, to have nice cars and nice houses. But all this success is not going to stand against emotional success, against mental success, against spiritual success.